Welcome to our channel. Peloton app issues can interrupt your workout routine, but these troubleshooting steps will get you back to exercising quickly. Step 1. Check Peloton's service status page or social media accounts to determine if there's a system-wide outage affecting the app. Step 2. Force quit the Peloton app completely by swiping it away from your recent apps list, then relaunch it fresh. Step 3. Restart your device, whether it's a phone, tablet, or Peloton bike, to clear temporary system issues. Step 4. Ensure your internet connection is stable and fast enough for streaming classes by testing your speed and moving closer to your router if needed. Step 5. Update the Peloton app to the latest version through your device's app store to fix bugs and improve performance. Step 6. Clear the app cache on Android devices through settings, or delete and reinstall the app on iPhone to remove corrupted data. Step 7. Check that your Peloton subscription is active and payments are up to date by logging into your account on the website. Step 8. Contact Peloton support if issues persist, providing them with your membership details and specific error messages for assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.